Hi, yesterday we talked about different kinds of truth, and we saw that in math, truth can be proven. But that leads to some deeper thoughts. What does it feel like to see something as true? Because a proof is not about making something true. It is about showing why it has to be true. The truth is already there. Proof just helps us to see it. Proof is about understanding why it has to work. And when you see that, perhaps you sense something, shifts a bit. Let me clarify with a simple example. You likely have heard of the Pythagorean theorem. In a right triangle, the square of the longest side equals the sum of the squares of the other two sides. You may have even memorized it or even used it. But a proof does something different. It lets you see it. Imagine drawing a square on each side of a right triangle. One on each of the shorter sides and one on the longest side. What a proof can show is the two smaller squares can be rearranged to fit perfectly into the larger one. Not approximately, not sometimes, always. And when you see that, really see it, something changes. It is no longer just a formula. It becomes something you understand, something you can trust, and maybe even something you can appreciate. But to me, math is not just about collecting true statements. Not even close. It is about learning how to find them. It's the process. Because if someone simply tells you what's true, you only have that one answer. But if you begin to understand how truth is discovered, how questions lead to insight, then something opens up and comes alive. Now you're not just receiving truth, you're participating in it. And that is a very different experience. Because math is not really about getting the right answer. It is about the journey of discovering why it is right and learning to recognize truth when you see it. And that is what draws me in. Truth is not something I am forced to accept. It is something I am invited to see. The light bulb turns on and enlightenment begins. So my question today is, am I content to accept what is true, or am I willing to slow down and discover why it is true?